frepsing this, by the way.
By the way, do we have a table somewhere?
Nice.
Do we have a table?
Not yet.
Oh, I have
Or
ready.
indeed at all.
But never mind, it's too late. Never mind. Go.
Why? Never mind.
Don't go left. Shit. Oh, fuck. I didn't get the, Path of Frost for some reason.
I'm gonna time warp at LM.
Just added Janie to the Skype thing.
Hey, Jenny.
Hello.
Rallying climb. Trinketed wall down.
Oh shit, they're not in PvP yet.
Blade storm.
Someone's capping BS.
I am.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh shit.
Why did you cap
That's
BS?
Hell, that was what you were definitely not supposed to do.
Oh.
Epic fail.
Ah, fuck. Oh well.
Countered.
Now it's okay.
Bit less certain.
Yeah, well, I think we need to go. I've got a different plan now.
Improvise. They're being attacked at stables.
I'm going ST.
We need to hold 3 around the 1,200 and then let them cap 3. Okay.
But I need to know the exact number of resources we need to keep before they cap that flag. I mean, is it at 1.2k? Is it at